from last evening, the flood situation of Assam has turned into little critical. Water at all level in the river Brahmaputra is flowing above danger level. 41 revenue circle has been affected so far. Even in Kaziranga, the forest check post, all the forest vigilant posts, almost 95 vigilant posts has been submerged. Animal has started migrating from the reserve forest to the nearby hills. If the rain continues for next 3 days, the situation will become further critical. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has called me in the morning. He assured all helps and he said that Army, NDRF, everyone will be standby. They will work hand to hand with the government of Assam. And he also advised me that our MLAs, ministers should be on field to help the flood affected people. He reassured me that Government of India is there. Any help Government of Assam will sought, definitely that will be provided. Home Minister Amit Shah ji has also called me in the morning. He has also reviewed the flood situation. I am confident that if situation doesn't worsen from here, we will be able to basically provide relief, rehabilitation to the people. But of course, if situation worsen, then we might have to take help from the army. So we are closely monitoring the situation, and we want to reassure the people of Assam that both Government of India and Government of Assam will be there to help completely, whatever way it needs to be. Kazirangat ajir pra ami vehicular traffic or movement restriction anisu. Ajiu eta pohu আক্ৰমণত আঘাত পাইছে যান বাহনৰ আক্ৰমণত সেইকাৰণে আমি ট্ৰাকস কমপ্লিটলি বন্ধ কৰিছো তেওঁলোকে নৰ্থ অসমেদি তেওঁলোকে ডিব্ৰুগড়ত সোমাব আৰু পাৰ্সোনেল যিবিলাক ভেহিকল আছে বা নাইট সুপাৰ আছে তেওঁলোকক প্ৰতি আধা ঘণ্টাৰ মূৰে মূৰে